Go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.
Hey Jack, you don't mind us taking your car on this little trip, do we? Remember we had that call today from the guy who was describing a particular lot, and I found out that the lot that we're going to right now, the videotape for him, is probably the perfect lot, the way he described it. And so, while Rodney's working on a deal, I'm working on the lot. Are you in with me? Are you willing to walk this lot with me and put your stamp of approval, your poop of approval on it? That's how we know it's really good. All right, well guys, it's a beautiful May day. I'm talking to you now, people, because Jack, he just doesn't say that much. I can't get him to talk. He's not in a talkative mood. But this is one of the things we do, right? We go out and we look at lots and we shoot neighborhoods and spec homes and model homes to help you in the relocation process, because we make relocating to Charlotte easy. Now, there are a number of great 55 plus communities in the greater Charlotte area. I get calls all the time saying, hey, I'm not sure exactly where I want to be in the Carolinas. And I've got broker partners all up and down the eastern seaboard, particularly the Carolinas. I'd love to connect you if you're not sure exactly where you want to be, what you want to do. In the meantime, and in between time, can I sell you on Charlotte? Because this is a great area to live in. Construction is on. We're in Cresswind Wesley Chapel right now. And again, if you're a subscriber of mine, you know that Jack and I chose to move here with the wife and the other little dog. So here we are, people, and we'd love to have you here. So give me a call, 704-345-3400. We've arrived on site. Jack, you ready to walk this lot? All right, we'll see y'all in the next video.
Go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.